So I'm making a video for the beehive project on how to open any of these log files with Excel. If you go to File, Open, and find the log files. So this is on a Mac, it's a little bit different on Windows, but I have several log files here. If I select any of them in Excel, what happens is Excel gives me the option to import text. And if you click next, you can also select delimiters. There are several of them, and one of them in these log files that actually separates the temperatures is comma. So you can leave tab selected and comma, and you can say next, and then say this here is, oops, I'll go back, and I also want space. So the reason I want space is that the first column becomes a number. So this one I don't want to import. This one, it's the frame I don't want to import. This one I do not want to import. So now I'm importing only the first column and the 6 temperatures. If I click finish, Excel will show me the columns that I wanted, and from here on you can just save this for Code app. So I'm going to insert here and say this is the time, temp 1, temperature 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then I can save as text or even log, and then import this into Code app, or I can also copy the 101st lines, or however many, 300, and then go to Code app, and I'll talk about formulas in Code app next.